Now you want to enable the feature again. This is the third part. This disarm. Yes, that's right. And after the CARDOT, again, the second step. Okay, you will hear beep sound in this video. It means the green color. This is a side negative. It is working now. Suddenly, engine running. Start. Okay, keeping on means start. Start is processing. Okay. This is the foot brake where touch the player 5 times, just like you press foot brake 5 times inside the car. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B sound, it means enable. Okay. I remove this. Remove the side. Stop. Okay. Let me try this feature is enabled or not. Okay. Unlock. This is disarm. Start. This is for the brake. It is video. I only simulating this effecting. So I use this cable to touch 12 like before. Wait almost 10 seconds. If it moves, it is enable status. It is successful. Yes, working. Good. Okay. Stop. Great. Successful. Thank you.